Oh, welcome back. Yo, what up, Austin? Yo, I honestly, I ended up, I ended up, fucking crashing my computer. To be honest with you, I ended up crashing my computer. I haven't crashed this computer ever. I just crashed this computer. What happened was I created an infinite loop in Ninja Trader orders, and it literally just froze my shit. I'm also setting something up. I gotta organize my accounts. I don't know like if you guys organize your accounts or not, but I am organizing my accounts where each accounts each account is gonna run a different strategy in the morning, and then after that it's free range. But I got all these strategies that work, and I'm getting too confused because I'm overlapping um strategies. Like the one strategy will have like multiple prop firms in it, and then I can't run the other strategy because it might, conflict with that one. So I am basically going to rework some of this shit. Like, it's like I'm just gonna have, like, argument's sake, like Lucid is only gonna run this strategy every day. Lucid runs this strategy. Once this strategy is done, those accounts can be copy traded. You know, so like once that's done, I move on to regular copy trading. You know, I got a spreadsheet out now, and I got about four or five strategies I want to run in the morning. And then those accounts, if those accounts are, maybe I don't trade those accounts the rest of the day. Like, if they're up $400, I'm probably going to stop. How many do I have? I'm loading, just so you know. See all these? My scripts? See all these? I'm going to load the majority of these up. See all these? Look, I got orb for GC, orb for oil, orb for YM. I went through a bunch of this shit. Trend shit. You name it. I got it. Am I planning to long? I was long. I got out at the top like a fucking boss. Am I going to long now? Probably not, and I'll show you why. I'll show you why. We just invalidated all these. This was a fair value gap. But we're just making, we can't. Well, this is ES, but it's gonna be the same thing on NQ. We now have this gap to the downside. Like, I think they're gonna end up pushing this down, bro. It's so funny. These guys will charge you hundreds of dollars out of your pocket, Chris. But God forbid you ask for something that doesn't cost somebody anything. It's like they feel like I'm taking their business. I'm like, bro, I don't know who you are. Literally making indicators and shit for free for people. You know what happened? I'll be honest with you, Chris. Like, I'm just putting so many hours into this. Like, hours and hours. Like, last night, I probably spent 5 or 6 hours to make the copy trader that I got. I made this last night. And it was probably like 5 or 6 hours, and then I spent more time today on it. And this is the best copy trader you're gonna get. Literally, the only copy trader that I know of that you can literally set consistency percentages on, so you don't go over consistency. Consistency on different accounts. So this one could be different than this one. Trailing DD could be different. Profit targets could be different on all of them. Daily losses, the fixed amount of contracts you buy. Each one of them you can flatten out individually if you want. You go to break even on each one if you want. It can flatten out all your trades at a certain time. If you don't, if a prop firm doesn't want you to trade past a certain time, they'll flatten them out so you can never get caught with that. It has a full trade journal in it. Full trade journal. It has multiple groups that you can copy trade. You can do break even all for everything goes break even all with an offset. Um, I gotta look. I gotta look. I found bugs. Listen, this is in beta. Today was the first day I tested it out, and it's 95% there. What's the time zone? I would assume it's Eastern time, or it takes the time in on your computer. I haven't tested that out, Jose. This is the first day I've tested it out at all. If you want, you can play around with it. If you want. If you don't want, don't play around with it. It's literally it's still beta testing. I can add a version number. I honestly, I wouldn't test any real accounts with it yet. Somewhere between the version you have, Jose, and my version, I created an infinite loop on something and I fixed it. But listen, I'm tired of people paying $50, $100 a month, or $200 one time, like, and it doesn't offer everything I want. But I have a feeling, yo. So I did change the coloring. Uh, you requested for an indicator. I think it runs. It should run a cron job. I'll tell you right now. Oh, I see you just requested it. Is it in? Yo, it should run a rim job. Yeah. Listen, if I could do bookmap for free, I'll do bookmap for free. I bought a rubber duck. Dude, I still have that. It's in my freaking it's in my Jeep. Yeah, no, I see it. I see it. It should run. If you don't have it in an hour or so, let me know. I have that in my Jeep still. I'll ask Claude. I'll be like, yo, this guy requested this. Was it given? You added it. You added the indicator from the laptop. Hold on. I'm getting the answer right now. Bro, they are in the mail. Literally just took over my whole fucking trading view. It's in the mail. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to run this end of day. Yo, I just got an offer on my building, Sean. I am mid negotiation right now with a private equity firm in New York. Good old John Carter. Yo, they offered me enough for me to sell it to them on their first offer. I'll put it like that. Yo, we need to get poker going again. We need some poker. It's pretty much sold. No, if it's not changed, I gotta go look. I didn't look at it, Jose. I just asked them to do it. I need to. I only had an hour and 40 minutes to, and I'll be honest with you. I got a. I got an offer for my building, and I've been on the phone with that, and I ate. That's all I really did. Yo, Patrick's building couldn't sniff my building. I could probably fit. I could probably fit like fucking 6 or 7 BDHs in my building. Probably even more. Yeah, it said it did, Jose, but I didn't try it out. It said it did, but I didn't try it out. Yo, Bizarro, you should have access right now. Look at that shit. It's giving you access right now. Yo, I trade Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, Traders Launch, my personal account, Bull Nuts, Legends. I'll be honest with you, today's kind of a fucked up day because I spent so much time on this. I spent so much time doing this other stuff that I haven't really. I didn't pay attention to trading a lot today. Well, they just go on a copy trader, Martin.
Order filled.
Yo, you got it? Yo, that shit works. Yo, anybody that's requested it. Oh, Sean, you just got access to it, it looks like. Yeah. Look, I see everybody's name. Who else is in here? Jip just got access. Jay, you just got access. Yeah, if you just asked for it, you guys just got access. I didn't realize that I had to run a script to do it. Yo, yo, after I seen that image, Alana, I'm sure a lot of people have been there. Access to Wendy's. Yo, let me try something real fast. Uh, how am I gonna do this? Let me try something real fast. This one is for yo, there you go. Yo, is that better, Knob? Knob, you feel like home? Yo. Yo. Yo, I'm back. I'm behind the dumpster at Wendy's. Yo, let's see if this has any juice in it. Yo, somebody new is like, what the fuck is going on? Bro, it's the Wendy's dumpster. All right, I gotta go back to my office. Hold on 1 second. All right. Now I'm here at my office. I had some interviews earlier. Everything went good. Don't worry, guys. I'm a little tired, but it's all good. How did I find that? I found it. Yo, everybody wants to know why I always block my screen out. This is behind me. That's why I block it out so you guys don't see what, my office. What else is going on? Yo. Yeah, this is the camera I got to put on the table, bro. I just got to wipe the lens down sometimes. Let's see what else we got going on here. Ah, I'm back. I'm back on the chart floating around. No. Did you see the Wendy's? I was behind the Wendy's dumpster looking for everybody. The Cove couch. Oh, man. Yo, what city is that, Wojak? Yo, you got the fentanyl? Bro, I've never seen somebody so flexible in my life. I don't know how they don't fall over. What city are we talking about, though? Arizona? Yeah, Arizona's rough. Now, do you go out there? It's almost like cow tipping when you see them like that, and then you tip them over and they wake up, or what's the deal? Yeah, it's crazy. What up, NQ? I get as close as I can, take a picture and bounce. Bro, you out there taking selfies with these people? Like you're just like, and you take the click, bro. What are you doing? I want to see a selfie. I feel like I got to see a selfie now. Ugh. Dude, this is crazy. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just looking at shit to do. Shit to do. Just looking. Man, some of these things are fucking beaten down. Yo, that shit's in like, you don't even realize it's there, and it's just there. It's crazy. Some of these stocks are getting beaten down pretty freaking heavily. Yo, what up, Super Dave? trying to get along here. Dude, it's like the smallest amount. It's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy, crazy. How much do I invest in accounts per year? So, on the high end, in a month, I'll probably do on a high end, like say I was testing shit out and whatnot, maybe 3 grand, 3,500, and that's like me running through like, hey man, I'm testing this shit out. I know I'm gonna buy a bunch of accounts and I'm just gonna roll this out. And then there's some months I'll spend $1,000. I don't like go on tilt and just blow fucking accounts. I think that's the difference between me and other people. Like I won't just sit here and be like, "Yo, blew an account, reload, blew an account, reload." Like I don't get that. You know, I I'm like I'm more like consistent gains than fucking reload bot reload buy and because I always think like the people watching aren't going to be able to do that, so why am I going to do that, like if you're watching and all I'm doing is blowing accounts every single day, like, and you can't follow that, then the strat it's not going to work. So I try not blowing accounts. Like, listen, these are like $19. These I'm willing, like these little evals, that's different. But like once they're funded and shit, I'm not trying to blow accounts. And the more expensive ones, I'm not trying to blow those either. I don't risk it. I'm not doing uh you know, I'm not doing like what do you call it? Playing like 3 minis at a time. Like I'm trying to be as real as I can on the accounts. Yo, here you go. You know what I mean? Like I'm trying to treat it like real. So I'm not just gonna sit here and fucking blow accounts and churn and burn. Because if you're churning and burning, that's no strategy. But I'm gonna be honest with you. Like I've had months where I was testing shit out, like automation or whatnot, and I was just cycling through accounts, but I wouldn't cycle through them on the stream. Like if I'm testing something out personally, I'm just not gonna turn and burn them. And people think like like that's separate. I'm like testing something out in the real market. Yo, you got to fill out the form to get added. Anybody that's in here, there's a form. Just is it? Oh shit! I don't know which one it is now. Fuck me. Yo, hold on 1 second. Yeah, so I blew a ton like 4 weeks ago on a copy trade mistake. I mean, yeah, I can't do anything about that. I blew a ton. I think well, I'll tell you right now for keeps. I blew 6 TPT accounts because my trade copier got into a hedge position. So that was 6 TPT accounts. And like the next day, I lost another like 2 TPT accounts due to like similar shit. Um, and then I had another take profit. I had another account error that like fucked me out of like $1,200 an account, which kind of wiped it out. Yeah, it was definitely Sean's fault, 1,000%. I gotta blame somebody. Um, I've been unlucky with copy traders for a while. Oh, it is the joined one. Yeah. So if you want, go to this. This is how you get in. There you go. They actually both go to the same spot. But anyways, um, I've been very unfortunate with copy trading because I'm copy trading a lot during open. And not only am I copy trading during open, I'm copy trading a lot of accounts. And sometimes things get freaking wonky. I'm not copy trading 3 accounts. I'm sometimes doing. Yesterday, I was copy trading 18 accounts at once. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to do something for keeps. That's the best part about this shit.
Order filled.
I'm exiting. This looks like a rejection right here. Look at that freaking exit. That's what's great about trading though is you don't have to do something. Oh yeah. I mean, I banged a great trade off the bottom. Well, not in this account, but I honestly was looking to target up top. We just ran out of juice. Trading is definitely waiting. Yo, you know what I found? Yo, this is gonna sound. I'll break this out. Hold on. Let me. I'll show you something that's cool. Um, let's see. I have found that Asia definitely does better. Watch this. This is crazy. So Asia doesn't respect a lot of things, right? So what it does respect more than anything is kind of like a trend. Um so I was playing around last night with this and I was trying to find something that worked. 5, 6, 3. And I kind of found this shit. This is on a oh, what is it on though? Man, I don't have all these fucking settings done. I don't know what's wrong here. Yeah, I trade about 18. Every day I'm trading. I mean, I trade. That's probably the max I go. That's what she said. I'm trying to figure this out. I don't know why it's messed up. It's so crazy. I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know. I gotta find the settings. I had a freaking strategy that was pretty good for Asia. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know what happened to it or what it was. Why it's fucking not working. Man, this shit is so finicky sometimes. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is the last 90 days. Look at that. That's a pretty good P&L curve. Look at my P&L curve. Look at it. This is Asia. This is 8 p.m. until midnight. Look at it. Look at the thing. Look at my P&L. I run them on sim to make sure they verify. So what a lot of people don't realize. So depending on if you have a strategy, this is you guys don't even realize this. So if you see anyone that posts a strategy with a really good P&L and then you look at the chart and it's going in and out super fast with a lot of trades, the odds are it's not true. So if you're back testing based on like profit target is 50 points and stop loss is 30 points, it's probably going to be more accurate in trading view. Now, if you have something where you're shooting for little fucking scalps, you got to take that, put it into Ninja Trader, run it there, and then if it's still okay, which is probably going to be pretty shitty, you then have to trade it in the live environment. So if you're going for bigger TPs, bigger stops, it's going to be more accurate. When you start going for this like small little shit, it becomes less accurate. That's why I think that is pretty accurate because when it trades, I'll got to get an example. Like it's holding for over an hour. You know what I mean? Like it's not something that's in and out. So in that aspect, I do think that it's good. The real one I liked was that same script, but it's from midnight to 5 in the morning. But yeah, a lot of people don't realize that though. You know, I could show you a bunch of bad shit that people make look good on TradingView that's not good. But like this one's even better. This one is midnight to 5 in the morning. But if you look, it's these are 5 minute charts. So it's kind of like, you're not scalping. So it's probably more correct. I've done a lot of back testing to tell you what's going to work and what's probably not going to work. Anytime I see like a straight line like this, I'll show you. It's anyone that shows you this is fucking, it's not going to work. Let me, I got fucking like that smooth fucking line, like something like this, where, but it's even smoother, where there's no drop down. It's probably not going to work. What did I used to do before outside trading? So I've been trading since 2007, stocks mostly. And then I got into options in 2017. But I took a 5 year gap. Um, I started a company, I grew it to like 80 plus employees. And I still have the company, but we've downsized and outsourced to partners. Yo, Jay. But yeah, I mean, there's definitely like red flags. Like if you see something like this, like profit factor of 4.8, probably not right. Probably not right. You know, see how this is stop loss in ticks, not points? That's 5 fucking points. It's not very accurate at that low level. Well, I'm getting into the real estate. I've been in the real estate game before, but now I'm really getting in. I'm probably going to start traveling around a bunch. To be honest with you. But yeah, man, I've been doing the back testing enough that I could tell you when somebody's showing you a fraud fucking, and I don't want to say it's a fraud. It's just they don't realize that it's not real. Wifey got no. Am I divorced? No, my wife's in the city right now with my kids. Bro, I'm gonna start doing OnlyFans, bro. Why you gotta hate on me? Do my OnlyFans. Bro, I wish I was doing OnlyFans. Yo. What type of building are you doing, Jim? Hold on 1 second. I just gotta hit the alarm. What type of building is it? Oh shit. Hold on 1 second.
Order filled.
I'm here. I'm just hanging. I I got this on silent. I'm here. I think we're going up.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Now what do we got? Sign this and just send it back? Yeah, but if it falls through, yeah, I know. I know. I know you can hear me. I'm bringing you in on my call. Do you not want to hear it? Yeah. Plus, they could still fucking back out. And the other thing is, he was asking because he was a nonprofit to have some money off or some shit. So I'm fine where the numbers at. Yeah, Chris, we're our comfort level is high. Just send. We're gonna sign it and send it over. Tell him we'll see him on Friday. Fucking we're complicating it. Sign it. Let's roll. Are you waiting for your computer to load? But they're good at that number, so we're good. And then they know we're good. Yeah, exactly. But you know what? If it happens, they're getting a great deal. So who cares? And I got our we got our money. Ah, nah, don't tell him who the tenant is. All right, sign it, make it hot. Yeah, if you docu-sign it, I'll sign it right now. Yeah. I don't want to give them that because if they back out, I'm not. I want these people in. They can eat a dick. Fucking market, push already, motherfucker. Yo, what up, soy boy? Dude, come on. Get me paid. Push this up. I mean, Jesus. What up, massive? Yo, what up, Clint? Yeah, just make sure you go to the forum. New shit I'm working on. This is how I've been working on this. Copy trader that you're not gonna have to pay for. Yo, send it to my Gmail. All right. Let's sign it right now to get this moving. No problem. I just want to sign it now. I want to sign it. I don't want to just wait until tomorrow. You know, these aren't. This isn't the dog people. Yo, come on, man. Push this shit. Yo, who's in this? Yo, no one's on the phone. Yo, what up? Songs by Tawana? Is that Tawana that's always in here? We're not even talking to you, Chris. Just send it. Is it done yet? Come on. No! Yo, it's right there. Look at push up. Push. Are you kidding me? We're not going to touch that? Who's in this shit? You're new here? Well, welcome to the stream. I'm usually not on the phone, but I'm actually on a super important call. Did that just fucking happen? What? Bro, I just got raw dogged. After I get off this, I'll do numbers. You want to do numbers? Hold on. Ready, set, go. Damn. Sean got it. Sean got it. 50. I'm reviewing it. Oh. Donna beat you. That's probably why they just agreed at the price because they don't care, right? Is that probably what would happen? I don't think they're gonna. I don't think being that we're gonna have the tenant. I don't know if I would really budge at that point. But I wouldn't tell them if the tenant left either. Donna won. Not Donna.
Order filled.
Bro, I'm talking to the market makers, Coop. I'm telling them to push this shit. Bro, come on. Are you not going to get my orders again?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I don't think that they're going to care about a floor or anything. I think, you know. Bro, I got leaf blower man behind me. Come on and push it. Really? That's going to. You really want to do that? Okay. That was a good hit. Push! Oh, man, just fucking giving it up, man. I'll be honest with you, these afternoon sessions have been fucking brutal. Yeah, Trump's talking right now. I'm going to bring up news. Send it. Sounds good. I want to see what these guys talk about on Friday. I am moving, so not watching you much. You calling Trump? I am on with Trump. Bro, you can't lie more than telling you that some guy is gonna buy it from Peru that's never fucking seen it. I don't know, maybe one time for every million that the building's worth. Dude, those races are crazy, by the way. They try to block it off so you can't see them from anywhere unless you pay.
Trump says we probably have a deal with Canada.
Dude, this thing's just fucking sitting here. OpenAI is going to go public in 2027 or sooner. Dude, that's crazy. I'm buying the dip. Bruce Lee. What up, Calvin? I'm usually not on the fucking phone, but I'm doing something very important. Why? Who doesn't trade live, man? You gotta. Yo, if you're not showing account numbers and balances, don't even watch it. Yo, make a pit stop over at the rest stop, BK. Bro, you know who that was? That was Mosquito Squad. Blowing his freaking mosquito spray everywhere.
Trump on Iran sanctions says we'll see what happens.
You just subbed and you're using TPT? I use TPT. I'm copy trading, but I use TPT. What's up? Yeah. Yeah, the building's in. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm usually not on the phone, but this is like super, super, super important. I'm just listening. I might buy this dip right here.
Order filled.
Oh, it is. It is. Don't buy the dip. Did they send the money yet? I'm trying. Nah, he said 30 at first, so it's 30. Stick with 30. That's what it was. Bro, I can't believe I'm doing this. How'd that not bounce? Not gonna lie, the afternoon session has been awful with price action the last couple sessions. Super freaking rough. In my racing zone. There you go. You sending? Bro, you need a faster computer. John. I'm buying at these equal lows on ES if I can get a confirmation candle. Bouncing right off the orb bottom. Orb bottom and stochastics are way oversold. Let's see if it holds. Probably up. No time like the present to rip a bomb. Oh, a long. I thought you meant a bomb. Up is the only way. I don't think it's going to go anywhere here end of day. You got 20 minutes. Trump's talking. I wouldn't trade any fundeds. I like him long.
Trump on the bond market says Americans
Dude, push
should
this
not be
back up.
concerned about volatility.
Yo, I didn't get it in my Gmail. Yeah. Yo, it has been ass, man. I wouldn't trade a funded account the rest of the day. Just being honest with you. I would keep it strictly evals. Keep it just evals if you want to play. I wouldn't risk anything good. I mean, you closed the last one, Ben, pretty much.
His remarks at the White House event.
I mean, I think we just stick with Ben again. I didn't get it, so maybe it's got to go to you first, and then once you sign, I get it. Nah, no, yeah.
Order filled.
Oh, Jesus. Yo, I tell my email 5 times. They send it to the wrong email. I just don't have it up or my phone. Like I have it. I got to go log into it. I- This is awful. I agree. I agree. We'll see them Friday. We just go over it, and that's it. I mean, and you tell them, listen, they're going to be like, I wouldn't say who, but I would say, listen, this is probably going to be filled up by somebody, and they're going to be paying $50,000 $55,000 a month, triple net, and you know, that's it. I would say as little as possible. Nah, I get it. Yo, I would tell them though, this is the price now. Like if they're waiting and they'll only buy it if they rent it, then the price goes up if they rent it. That's what I would say. If they're like, hey, we only want to do this if they're gonna rent it, I would just say, hey man, that's great, but once they sign that paper to rent, the price is different at that point. You guys know that. I would say you guys know that. Come on. Yo, I didn't get this thing, dude, to sign. Bro. Yo. Nah, I would just try to get their money as fast as possible, dude. Who cares? I take whoever pays us first. Yeah, I don't have it, man. I don't have it. Ben, you want to just sign it for me, I guess? I don't know. Or you send it to me, forward it to me. Uh, okay. I just did. Oh, all right. Dude, these guys are fucking killing me. The slow death. The slowest death you could think of is what's going on right now. Yeah, I just put my phone down to get into this thing. You want me to try getting in? Yeah. All right, hold on one sec. Oh. This market's fucking killing me. Dude, I'm trying. I'm trying, man.
One minute now until we get the markets on close imbalance.
Dude, I don't know why I'm signed out and I can't get in. Yeah. It's every time this is saved. I don't know why it's. Oh wait.
Seconds.
Oh no. All right, I'm. Yeah, well, I'm resetting it now. So.
Markets on close imbalance.
Oh, I just
S&P
reset it.
500 sell side 699 million. Nasdaq 100 sell
Oh,
side
hold on.
265 million. Dow 30 sell side 71 million.
Dude, Trump's still
Gold sell
fucking
side
talking.
408 million.
Nah, he's still going. He's like, China! China! Dude, that's crazy that you played that to the downside of all sides. I logged in and all it's doing is the Outlook box and it's just spinning. It's not fucking bringing up my email. I'm literally staring at an envelope that opens and then doesn't, and then puts the envelope back in. That's the only way I log in. It's just an envelope and the envelope opens and then closes. It's like, I mean, Chris, how many times? I mean, Chris had the email. We went over it. We fucking went over it. Hey, man, this is the email. This is the email. I mean, Jesus. If he wants, he can do it again. Yo, what up, Calvin? Lucas West Coast? Who fucking cares about that guy? Yo. Yo, ask when he's going to show his account numbers and his balances. How can you trust anyone that doesn't show their account numbers or balances? Ask why they don't show that. Yo, it finally let me in. Holy shit, dude. Oh my God. Yo, Chris, what's my email address? Oh, okay, cool. Oh, I sent it to the other one. So stupid. Yeah. Done. Done. Alright, I'm done. Done. All signed. Boom. Ah. Yeah, let me know what happens. Peace. Bro, first of all, I don't believe any of those guys know how to trade, to be honest with you. But, you know, if they did, they would just show their account numbers and balances. I don't see what the problem is. And then when you ask, they block you. Isn't that weird? It's kind of weird. Yo, the DocuSign document, he couldn't resend it to a different address. So stupid. Yeah, they suck. I mean, listen, I would not trade any good accounts the rest of the day. I'm just being honest with you. That's like a disclaimer. I wouldn't trade anything that's decent the rest of the day here. So I don't want anybody to be like, oh, he hit the button to get in. Like, I just wouldn't do it. There's no reason on the last 5 minutes of the day to trade anything that's a decent account. Dude, I'm here every day, 9 a.m. to noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30, and it's all out in the open. You could see me win, you could see me lose. You know, there's accounts I care about more, obviously, like funded accounts that have the P next to it. I care about more than these for obvious reasons. Yo, all I know is this candle sucked people in and then they just dropped it on you. Yo, hit that little bell button below. I don't sleep. I make indicators and copy traders. Dude, literally, this thing kept me up to almost 11:30 last night, which is hard because I get up at like 5:30. I got off the computer probably, 11:30 off the computer. By the time I got into bed and everything, it was fucking late. So I don't. It should have fixed an infinite loop, but right before the stream is over, I'm gonna press the button and see if it creates an infinite loop again. It shouldn't, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yo, I'm gonna take this account. Do I have a? I'll use this account. Fuck it. 56. Fuck it. 3 minis. 3 minis. I code. I use AI. I made this whole copy trader using AI, and it does everything that I want a copy trader to do, plus a journal and everything. I'm working out the bugs today. I've been using it. Green is green. Yo, my personal account's up $1,965 today. That's pretty fucking solid. Yo, when am I gonna do a poker night? Soon. Soon. Tonight I would have done poker, but I got to do softball tonight. I didn't even think about it. I would have done it tonight. Man, I don't feel that confident in this. Just an FYI. This is not a good one. I don't like that it's at 500.
Order filled.
But I got a quick $255, $225. I probably wouldn't do it again. I assumed it was going to come back down to 500. This might go here. This looks really good on the.
Order filled.
I'll risk my profits I just made. I'm only risking profits I just made. So
Order filled.
I'm not even risking profits I just made. I'm just fucking out. What I like, I'll show you what I liked. You got a little 5-minute inversion and maybe target 582. It's just the fucking end of the day. Watch it hit. Watch it go all the way back up. Yo, mulatto. Yo, what up, palm tree? What up, man? How's life going? How's life treating you, man? Perfect bounce off the 30 EMA, 40 ticks and 3 minis. Jeez. I kind of messed up today. User error. I didn't trade a couple trades. I didn't hold. I mean, obviously, in the accounts that mattered, I had a green day. But I could have had like a massive fucking green day. Yeah, went from a massive green day to, it was still green, but I was too busy dicking around with this other thing. By the way, the MOC imbalance is negative. I don't know if you heard it, but it's about a bill to the downside on S&P, 627 million to the downside on NASDAQ. I know you guys probably heard that. I'm just going over everything. Tomorrow, August 20th, we have Canadian PMI at 8:30. Oh, you have jobless claims tomorrow at 8:30. That might move the market a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I was just looking at the numbers to see what the numbers were. I'm just looking at, I'm just kind of like recapping the day, seeing what's going on. Dude, Hims was money today. I don't know if any of you guys write puts or trade options, but Hims was money. Money! Yeah, that shit was crazy today. That crank-a-linked. I needed that. That's a good day right there. It's a real good day. The Asia session. Yo, there you go, Steven. Listen, if you follow, a strategy and you know the strategy works, you're going to get, it's obviously going to do well over time. That's what I would do. I would just stick to the script, man. You know? Don't change anything. Just freaking, you know.
US total public debt outstanding exceeds the record of $40 trillion.
Dude, they're going to have a big fucking problem with this US debt. I'm just saying, I think they're going to have a big problem with US debt. People can say whatever they want. I think it's going to be a big issue at some point. I don't know what's going to happen, but I would probably say it's not going to be great. It's a lot of freaking debt. I think eventually, I hate to say it, but man, they're gonna have to do something to. They're gonna have to cut spending on military or something. It's the only way it's gonna happen. That's the only way this is gonna happen is if they do that. I don't know what's gonna happen, but they sure as shit better figure it out sooner than later. I just don't understand how they kind of let it get like this. Default is the only option. They're not going to default. What's going to happen? I don't know what's going to happen. They're going to have to cut spending somewhere. Cutting spending is the best route. I just don't know what it's going to look like. I imagine our military makes up like half the budget. I would say at some point they're going to have to cut back on military spending. And I will say, like, I mean, it sounds crazy, but he took over Venezuela. Now I think they're going to start exporting oil and getting a piece of that. I think that I don't know. I mean, he wants to bring drilling back. Like there's certain things they want to do that I think will help out, but I don't really know. I don't really know what the full outcome is going to be. I don't, I don't really know. I mean, I'm sure we'll figure it out, but they're gonna have to cut military spending is the biggest culprit. So that's where they're gonna have to cut first, and then from there, um, from there they'll do whatever. Boom, boom. Yo, my bad about today. I had to take that call. I mean, that call was super fucking important. Um, so I just want to let you know. My bad. Um, boom. I am just. I am just looking at. I'm just looking at all this stuff. You know what I'm looking at. I am just going through. I'm getting the names out right now. Sorry if this is taking too long. I'm just kind of. It's crazy how many less bots you get when you got to fill a form out. All of a sudden, there's no bots. It's so weird. So weird. It's like, yo, where'd all the bots go?
So looking at the market wrap now for today's session, Wall Street rebounded as the Treasury announced intentions to increase buybacks of longer dated bonds, indicating that the US aims to reduce borrowing costs after yields reach multi-decade highs. A rise in 30-year bonds lowered rates by 10 basis points to around 5.19%. With that, the majority of S&P 500 stocks climbed, while chipmakers sank. The dollar reached
Bro, those
$18
chip makers go down again.
to its highest level since March, as Trump urged Congress to enact a vital cryptocurrency measure while hosting industry executives at the White House. 2 weeks after announcing its planned buyback program for this quarter, the Treasury said that it is increasing by at least double the size of its liquidity support buyback operations for securities ranging from 10 to 30-year maturities. Elsewhere, Marvell Technology has agreed to allow Alphabet's Google to buy up to $12.2 billion in shares in exchange for chips.
Dude, I'll tell you what. I think that let me get the dupes out of here. I think if chips go down again, tomorrow, I'm going to take a shot at chips, by the way. Just feels right. Yo, everyone's still bots just keep going. They can't understand to just submit a form. It's so crazy. The whole bot thing is wild how I got rid of it just by doing a form. They don't know how to fill out a form. It's fucking wild. Yeah, I got more time today. So anybody got any questions? By the way, if you guys want to dick around with it, you can. You can download it. I'm telling you, I'm still working on it. But this is going to be free, so you don't have to pay for any copy traders going forward or trade journals. This is going to be a trade journal on here, and there's going to be a copy trader. I mean, the copy trader works, but it's going to have everything. Consistency percentage per account, trailing drawdown per account, profit target per account if you want to change it. You can go to BE on a single account. Doesn't all have to copy the main account. You can go flatten trades at a certain time. Dude, you can go to break even on all the accounts. Break even with an offset. You could flatten just the followers. You could flatten all. You can just sell out of one of these. You don't have to hold them all. The ratio, you can do like this one to be 2. So if this one buys 3 contracts, this one will buy 6. Or you can do a fixed amount. I'm just being honest. I wouldn't use it on any accounts worth anything right now. I'm in the middle of doing it all. But if you want to play around with it, you can go grab it. I'm updating the files every day at night. So at tonight there'll be a new file, like a new update to the system, and then tomorrow there'll be another new update to the system. I'm gonna test this out after ducks, but yeah, I mean, it looks fucking so cool too. But it does things that other copy traders can't, and it's not gonna cost. There's no like trade syncers like $49 a month. All these are so expensive, so now it's not, and you don't have to pay for a trade journal either. Can I send you to my app? I don't know. I agree, Martin. That's why I'm playing around with it. It does everything I want it to do. I got one small issue that 99% of you guys probably don't even do. So it's just I do it, and it's something I do when I trade. So we're gonna run this shit. I got music. I am funded. Basically green today. Pretty green today. Not as much as I should be, so I'm kind of annoyed. Where is... Yo, who won the ducks? Who won numbers? Oh, Donna. We pretty green. All the accounts that matter. Yo, I'm going to break out some of the other games also. Yo, Lee Watt. Are you deucing?
The US State Department spokesperson to Al Jazeera says the Trump administration opened discussions regarding the sovereignty of Syria.
Yo, Lee Watt, you deucing? You here? Nah, Jay, Sean didn't win. Donna won. What the fuck is this? This is why I'm going to switch to my shit. Clint. That's okay. You guys messed it up. Clint, you here? Clint, you here? Uh-oh, is Clint deucing? Yo, where's Clint at? Yo, Clint. Flush. Yo, Clint has his pants down and he's doing the shimmy. He's shimmying to the computer with toilet paper hanging. Yo, he's shimmying just, hey, I'm here. Clint, you got 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 4. Last man standing. Yo, Andy. Someone just killed you? I'll add you, Clint. I got spaces. This is just easy. Oh, we didn't do this one. Yo, your little fucker got splat. Oh, Jasmine. Jasmine, you here? Yeah, Jasmine's here. Yo, there's a bunch of splat. Yo. Chris, I see your guy. Hey, oh, Chris. Keep dodging it, Chris. Look at you. Oh, don't go in the middle, bro. I'm watching Chris. He's dodging him. Yo, he might win it. No way. Oh, you just got splatted. Yo, look, the shot's across. Look at this. Oh, shit. Jay Styles. Yo. All right, we need one more winner. My fucking eyeballs. I'm trying to look for a good race. Oh, that's what we're going to do. I haven't done this one in a while. I can't even see. My eyes killing me. Oh! Yo, Maritime. It should be one entry. One entry. I took it all off of the form. Yo, are you here or are we gonna run this again? Yo, we'll do a Lucid account. We did TPT yesterday. Yo, Maritime, you here? Yo, if we hit 100 people on here, we'll do something special. At one time. Yo, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you're here. I know there's a little delay. I let Clinton too. I don't know, man. They're always on. Range Rover. Gonna get some ass. Yo! That's one of those things we were talking about the other day. Yo! That's that thing. That's that animal we were talking about the other day. What's that thing called? That somebody taxidermied? What is that? Yo, Sean, that's that animal. Whatever the fucking animal was called. Nah, not beavers. Fucking, oh, yeah, a capybara or whatever. Yeah. Yo, if this thing blows up, it's been real.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, no errors. Bro, this thing was causing... This thing was causing me... It... There we go. See, if I do it a lot, like more than a normal person would do, it doesn't deactivate it, but it doesn't even close the position. It just triggers an error. Obviously, you're not moving the stops around that much. Gold just went to the moon? I had a pretty solid day. I think the market was pretty good today overall. I definitely think it was good overall. Man. Well, I'll just tell you guys this right now. If you have any questions, ask me now. I will be updating the files every night on this. Listen, this is cool if you want to play with it. It is not completely done yet. Does it work? Yes. Is there a couple things that have issues? Yes. Um, I just want you to be aware of that. Does it have issues? If you just buy and just put your sell in and just fucking leave it, it has not one issue. If you start moving your shit around a ton, like this, actually, it's not even doing it now. That's the only time that you can get issues. But I haven't had one problem yet until I had the infinite loop that obviously I fixed. But the infinite loop didn't cause issues on the account. It was a Ninja Trader issue. Watch. See, this is what I like. Watch. Now they're all at break even.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't have to worry about shit. I always said I wanted to, it's so easy just for a break even button. All right, so this thing's working. Oh! Auto trail stop. It has a trailing DD. I think that works on money. So like once it goes up, I can ask it. You want me to ask it? Watch. I'll fucking ask it. What does this column do? I'll ask. If you want features, I'll throw it on here. But I mean, I think the consistency thing is awesome. And I think the daily loss. All right, you ready? Trailing drawdown. Oh, it's your trailing drawdown limit in dollars per account. So enter 2,000 and the engine watches the account equity. Remember its highest point and it locks in the account when equity falls. Oh, it's a trailing drawdown. If you want to do that, it's a trailing drawdown, just like a prop firm would be. How to open it and see it? You got to put it in the Ninja Trader folder, or you go to the add-ons. You go to add-ons. Look. New tools, and you import Ninja Trader script add-on, or you go to your folder and you do it on the folder on your computer. I am out. If you want to dick around, here it is before I leave. I am jumping off. Like I said, it's not 100%, but it is free, and it will be 100% very shortly. I am out. Wait, what? mRNA? What? Oh, jeez. Holy fuck. Bro, that shit's up 177%. Cancer vaccine? Yo, that news was out earlier today, though. That didn't just happen. That news was out. Yo, that news came out today, and it just went up all day. Yeah, yo, it's all good. I trust Moderna. Yo, I trust them. Yeah, they're not sketchy the last 6 years. No, things are good over there. Yeah, trust the science. Yeah, sure. So yeah, I'm out on that note. I will see you guys tomorrow. John. I trust them. They haven't done anything sketchy. They literally there was no recourse for anything they've done. It was the government let them off the hook for everything. So it's all good, man. It's all good. Later. Peace.